Huawei and JAC Motors have officially unveiled their high-end luxury sedan, the Maextro S800, in China, and it is making waves for all the right reasons. This flagship model, priced between 708,000 and 1,018,000 Chinese yuan, which roughly converts to 98,300 to 141,000 United States dollars, brings serious competition to established full-size luxury sedans. With measurements of 5,480 millimeters in length, 2,000 millimeters in width, and 1,536 millimeters in height, along with a wheelbase of 3,370 millimeters, the Maextro S800 even outsizes the Mercedes Maybach S-Class. Customers can choose either a 4-seat or 5-seat interior configuration, allowing for flexibility in how they want their luxury sedan to function, whether for chauffeured elegance or family comfort. The car carries Huawei's Zhonghe Xinghan design language, highlighted by 4 horizontal and 2 vertical lines that shape the front end with dramatic crystal LED headlights. At the back, there is a wide nebula-themed taillight setup called the Galaxy Scroll, which glows with a Milky Way pattern during nighttime drives. The branding, Maextro, takes inspiration from the Italian word maestro, symbolizing authority and craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Maextro S800 is available as a pure electric vehicle or as an extended-range electric vehicle. The electric version packs dual motors producing 390 kilowatts and is powered by a 95 kilowatt-hour battery. It delivers an estimated 702 kilometers of range using the China light-duty vehicle test cycle. Fast charging is incredibly fast, with 10% to 80% recharged in approximately 12 minutes. The extended range versions combine electric motors with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that generates 115 kilowatts. One variant uses a 65 kilowatt-hour battery with 6C fast charging and an 800-volt electrical system, reaching 80% charge in about 10.5 minutes. This configuration still outputs 390 kilowatts and offers 400 kilometers of pure electric driving, with a total range of 1,333 kilometers and fuel consumption rated at 0.09 liters per 100 kilometers. A more powerful tri-motor version delivers a staggering 635 kilowatts, with 365 kilometers of electric range and 1,200 kilometers total. Fuel usage here is just 0.25 liters per 100 kilometers. All versions rely on Huawei's second-generation Whale battery technology for power safety and performance. In terms of performance, the figures are impressive across the board. The pure electric version can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.3 seconds, while the tri-motor and dual-motor extended range variants follow closely with times of 4.7 seconds and 4.9 seconds, respectively. Braking performance is also top tier, with a 100 kilometers per hour to 0 stop achieved in just 34.5 meters. Rear wheel steering, with a plus or minus 12-degree adjustment, provides an ultra-tight turning radius of just 5.05 meters and a maximum crab walking angle of 16 degrees. Wheel options include massive 21-inch big disc wheels and a pair of elegant 20-inch multi-spoke sets, all accompanied by Brembo 4 piston calipers and a high-tech braking system. The S800 features Huawei's Advanced Driving System version 4, utilizing artificial intelligence to train itself through real-world scenarios. The system uses 4 LiDAR sensors and 32 additional sensors to offer full 360-degree awareness. From tight alleyways to automated parking and obstacle evasion, this sedan is built to handle it all. The cabin is also packed with Huawei's Harmony ALPS 2.0 intelligent cockpit and Galaxy communication for seamless control and connectivity. Safety is not an afterthought either. Huawei's Xuanwu safety architecture includes a robust 10 horizontal and 9 vertical structural layout with 2,000 megapascals door rings and 53,300 newton meters per degree torsional rigidity. More than 92% of the vehicle's body uses ultra-high strength steel and aluminum, with 24% of it being hot-form steel rated above 1,500 megapascals. The Maextro S800 is engineered to pass top-tier Chinese safety tests like CNCAP and CISI with flying colors. Battery protection is another area where Huawei and CATL took things to the next level. The battery setup is shielded with 5 layers of underbody protection and includes safety mechanisms to prevent thermal runaway. This battery design meets and exceeds China's most rigorous safety standards. The sedan debuts the Tulin Dragon platform, built on a full aluminum alloy chassis with a front double wishbone and rear 5-link independent suspension. It also introduces an advanced spatiotemporal inference suspension system that adjusts dynamically to bumps and curves in real time. Standard equipment includes dual-chamber adaptive air suspension, CDC adaptive dampers, and large hydraulic bushings, along with rear-wheel steering. Inside, the Maextro S800 is a masterpiece of premium craftsmanship. The dashboard and cabin surfaces feature first-layer calf leather, imported wood panels with perfect grain alignment, and shimmering crystal accents on everything from knobs to lighting. The Harmony ALPS 2.0 cockpit comes with a full panoramic triple-screen layout called Huawei XHUD, supported by electronic mirrors both inside and outside. Buyers can choose from 5 interior color themes: dawn brown, glow white purple, misty white, dusk white brown, and night ink brown. Attention to detail is extreme. Crystal pieces are hand-polished. Metallic parts are cast with 1 mm precision at 1,300 degrees Celsius, and the wood trim is matched with a rejection rate over 99%. Each piece goes through a 480-hour glossing process to achieve its final, luxurious look. Rear passengers will feel like royalty. The zero-gravity seats feature 20-way electric adjustment, 148.5-degree recline, and include massage, heating, and ventilation. The private rear cabin includes a soft partition screen, central rotating panel, aviation-style fold-out tables, and even a fingerprint-secured safe. There is also a dual-zone refrigerator with ultraviolet sterilization and intelligent climate control across 4 independently adjustable zones. Ambient lighting is customizable and intelligent, offering gesture controls and spotlight tracking. The panoramic sunroof displays animated starlight and even meteor shower effects. Privacy glass with gesture-controlled opening and closing, and smart door closing via gesture round out the tech-forward luxury. Audio enthusiasts will love the in-car entertainment. Huawei debuts its most premium audio system ever, featuring 43 speakers, 7.5.10 channels, and 2,920 watts of peak output. There are 4 speaker units per headrest, 10 roof channels, adaptive sound staging, and a unique retractable tweeter delivering sub-40 Hz bass. Finally, the Maextro S800 introduces Huawei's Star Flash digital key system, launching with the Huawei Watch 5. It detects users at 20 meters, unlocks at 3 meters, and maintains accuracy during nearby activity like luggage loading. Huawei claims this key is 5 times more accurate and 6 times more reliable than typical car keys. The first batch of 599 units under the Pioneer program will be delivered starting June 26, with mass deliveries scheduled to begin in mid-August. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on next-level tech and luxury vehicles like this one.